Hi everyone, I hope you're well. This is CoinsKid, just going over to XRP. Once again, thank you for support, okay? Bigger the CoinsKid crew. So we've seen beautiful 5 waves up, didn't we? The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the flat 4, look at that, the alternation. And I've gone through that so many times with you. So I'm always looking for trades, okay? Always looking to sort of make money in this space on a daily basis, going long, short, whatever, okay? So at this point, I know a lot of people were looking to ride a massive move up. But I said to you, I think we'll hit the 1618, 82 cents like a boss. We'll come in and we have a big correction. Everyone's going to get super bearish. At that point, you know, we're looking for the reversal pattern of the 20. We got exactly that, the ascending triangle, and then boom, we broke out and we traded like an absolute boss. Again, we come up to the technical target of the ascending triangle and we traded that like a boss. And again, I was telling you to take profit at that point, and everyone's saying no way, no way, you don't know what you're talking about, XRP's taking off in space and things like that. And it's at that point I said to you, I do think we'll make a lower high and then we'll come back in and everyone's going to get super bearish again. But providing we hold the low and the structure from which we've come, we should indeed turn around again eventually and come back up. Okay, so this is the scenario I'm looking at for XRP. At the moment, it's getting really depressed, just like that drawdown there, just like that drawdown there, just like this drawdown here. It's getting really sort of depressed, and the naysayers are out, the trolls and people like that again. But you know, the clues are in the chart. So if we do have a beautiful falling wedge pattern just there, okay, and always try and get as many points of contact as you can. If we've got this little really tight falling wedge pattern just there, we should eventually create some kind of reversal pattern down here and then start to break out. And this is a trade, okay? This is basically a trade that you can wait for, and if you do start to see it, you can execute the trade. It really is simple and make money in a long. So what we're looking for is for XRP to break this resistance, and once it does, you go long and put your stop loss on the previous pivot low to negate the trade. So essentially, let's say for example right now we're getting really tight in this wedge. Look at this, so we're getting really tight, everyone's getting really bearish. But right now, if we're holding this low from which we've come, and we come up into the resistance, we're falling back to a high level support, if XRP starts to break this, then the optimal trade that you could do is basically really simple. Okay, so you could go long at this point right now, okay, to minimize your risk, come back up to the way you form the wedge, which is always technical target. It's around about a 19% move with a very minimal stop loss on that previous pivot low, around about 2.71%. So I will actually entertain that trade, because at the moment what we do have is a really tightening range, okay, in a potential falling wedge with accompanied bullish divergence. If you take a look at that pivot just there, we've got bullish divergence which is building right at the bottom of a really tightening range. So if XRP breaks this resistance right now, you should see it pump roughly 20% with a minimal risk trade of around about 2.71%. And this is trading in ranges. This is trying to find opportunity on a daily basis to go long, short, whatever. So that would be the minimal technical target, which is a level in which I would definitely look to take profit where we form the wedge, roughly 0.6030. Okay, that's where I would most definitely be looking to take out the profit if we do start to break out. Obviously there's no guarantees, but that would be a trade, you know, and this is what I try and find for you. So if this is the bottom, which is absolutely possible because of the bullish divergence, and we've got a level of resistance, we're coming back looking to make a higher low. Over the next few days we should see XRP come up and take out that leg there. That is simply something you could wait for to increase the probability of the long potential playing out. Okay, so if we do start to do that, take out this resistance, stop loss on the previous pivot low, take it out, boom, you've got a little trade in front of you, okay, for XRP. Now if you are looking to trade XRP, I would highly recommend BingX. The link is in the video description and equally on CoinsKid.com. Now BingX is a no KYC exchange. It is a fantastic exchange. Equally, I would advise using a VPN, so I will drop a tutorial into the end of the video for you on how to use a VPN and set it up. But yeah, BingX is an amazing exchange, okay, do get involved if you're not already involved. So this is a trade setup for you today, and me personally, I will entertain this trade. I'll put my stop loss on this pivot low. If it goes against me, it's a minimal loss for, you know, potential 20% gain, and if it goes against me, it is what it is. I apologize, but I'm always trying to find you reasons, and the reason is really simple: the bullish divergence on the daily, equally the 5 waves down here of a potential C wave. So as you're fully aware, this is what I'm looking at right now for XRP, some kind of zigzag correction. Okay, so I think this is a C wave which has potentially bottomed already. Now within the C wave, what we do tend to look for as analysts is 5 waves, for me personally. Okay, so I'm looking for the 5 wave counter. We've got a 1, a 2, this was a big 3, this was a 4, and this is your final 5th wave. So if I'm correct, we should be turning around here, taking out this resistance. This is an optimal trade for you, around about 2.71% loss for a potential gain of 20% to come back up to where we form the wedge. Really simple technical analysis. Hope you enjoyed that update. Stay healthy, stay strong, stay tuned. Thank you for your support. Take care everyone. Bye bye. So if you are looking to exchange crypto on a non-KYC exchange, for example, BingX, which we talk about a lot on the channel right now, if you are looking to do that, then I would recommend that you use an ExpressVPN. If you are in a restricted country like the UK or America, then use an ExpressVPN here. It's a fantastic service. The links are in the video description and equally on CoinsKid.com. All you do is install it on your mobile, tablet, laptop or PC right there. Install it, go to the selection, select Switzerland, and then boom, click the connected right there, and that's really simple. And then after you've done that, click the BingX link or whatever link it is that you're looking to exchange on, and then boom, sign up through that, and then you'll trick the exchange into thinking that you're in Switzerland, and you can crack on with your trading basically. So that's a simple little tutorial on how to use ExpressVPN. Really simple process for those that want to exchange crypto on these known KYC exchanges. Okay.